White salt alchemy. So this is part of a series. Yesterday I worked on this experiment, and the day before I made videos and uploaded them. I'm gonna start putting these videos in a playlist, perhaps more than one playlist, but here we have white salt alchemy. In the writings of Michael Syndevogius, he talked about the seeds of metals and how it was obtained through a gentle opening of the pores. So, yesterday I poured the menstruum in here, and today it's like white snow in here. That noise in the background is my dog Belle. She's drinking some water. Look at all that whiteness. Now, in the past, I used to grind the material before I started. However, I don't believe that is necessary because of the alchemical term dissolution. Part of the process is to dissolve. And in alchemical writings, I remember seeing advice about avoiding the laying on of hands, that the laying on of hands was not necessary. So if that's the case, then what's the point in grinding something that I'm going to dissolve anyway? In these experiments, the results don't always look the same. Sometimes they vary. In the writings of Paracelsus, he speaks of the yellow vinegar, and this, of course, is not yellow yet, but it's only maybe approximately 24 hours old. You give it some time and let the dissolution continue. Notice I took it off. I had the top wrapped with plastic wrap to keep dust out, but I took it off for the purposes of the video, and I will return it. And it's a loose fitting wrap. It's not a tight fitting wrap, because if I have any expanding gases or air bubbles of any type, I want them to be able to release and not expand in a trapped container and then crack the glass, because that's happened to me before. But this is interesting. So some of the white salt type material has floated to the top. I see little bubbles like onto the eyes of fishes. This is an interesting glass. And I remember reading in alchemical writings a long time ago, and it was I want to say, was it Mary Ann the prophetess or somebody, Mary somebody that was in alchemy way back, wrote something about, she said, I can whiten the stone in a day. And this is interesting because I have white material from this stone in a day through a gentle opening of the pores. So I'm going to make a video playlist for this series And it may be in more than one playlist, but one of them that I'm going to make specifically for this is going to be called Green Lion Alchemy. Kind of like my book Alchemy and the Green Lion, but I'm just going to put Green Lion Alchemy as the title of the playlist, and then I'll have a series of videos. And check out my other new playlist. It's called Breaking Bad with Alchemy. It's got some, it's getting quite a few videos in it. This is Alchemy of Stephen's School. Do not try this at home, not for consumption. This video and any written or verbal commentary does not constitute advice of any type, nor is it intended for any specific person. No warranty is expressed or implied as to the accuracy or completeness of any information presented here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates, and have a nice day.